actually, that's a good one.
Meat's really good.
For ice. For getting home.
I mean, it doesn't hurt to bleed them.
Right there. Well, Troy, tell us how you feel.
I don't know what to say. It's just an amazing feeling.
Here, Steve. This is for you. Oh, maybe not. It started to hit like it was good. Or whatever it is, it's so small.
Oh yeah, you got something. Oh. I think you've got your beat.
All right. Let's see.
I got the monster chicken.
Poor little guy.
There you go. That's it. Got it. Yep. I'll put this in your rod holder. There you go. Nope. Wow.
He's wild? Yeah. All of the maps from one side. It can be a challenge. I got a fish on it.
Yep. Yeah.
I'm here. Coach coming in quick. That's wild. Fish on, fish on. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Got it, right.
Now that, the biggest catch is there, right there.
That's a steep trout, isn't it? Hey, show us Steve's monster fish.
Oh, there he goes.
That's a good one.
I can't turn into it here.
Right into the net.
Straight up.
All right. Go.
Oh, that is an awesome net buoy right there.
All right. Yeah, that's good.
Good job, Steve. You got it.
You got a fish, so.
Fish on.
All right, yeah.
Oh, we got a double hook. There, we got to get this fish in there.
Yep.
All right.
Nicely done.
Kissing all over.
Yep.
That's your fish. Kissing all over us.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah, I can
Go around.
Yep. Hopefully. There we go. Oh, he popped off.
There we go.
That's why I wanted it at 30.
Try to hold it out more to the side if you can. There we go. He's going to come right right in. You can get it surfing. Got it. All right.
Nice.
That is a keeper.
Oh,
All right.
boy, you're tagged out, Steve. That's awesome.
Mr. Feelers.
Well, fish on.
All right, get him, me.
Yeah.
You got it. Caught him right in the net. Another wild. That was good.
That's how I do it. There's something going on, isn't it?
There goes. No, he's on there. He's on there.
Yeah.
Get that. Steve, can you turn that boat to the right?
Yep.
He's in.
Thank you, Steve.
Shove it back out. How's that motor, Garrett? You're good.
John. Garrett. No, get it. Get it.
Perfect. Troy, go grab the boat. Go grab the boat, Troy. Boat. It's native. I don't want to, that's a beauty. 30. Another one. That's Troy's. Troy.
Yep.
Here, Garrett, grab this rod.
Nope. Yep. Here you go, Troy. I'll go grab the bill.
Oh, no. Here.
Okay.
Grab the net. I got this.
Jumping.
Hit the front there.
All right.
Another wild, right?
Yep.
Oh, that fish on. Garrett, get him. Steve, I need to get my rod in. I can go to the left.
Yeah,
I can go to the
he'll
left.
go to the other side.
Everything's
I'll
fine.
go to the other
Nope, he's still on there. He's coming close.
Hold on.
Oh, good. Yep, wild. Slowing him down just a touch more. Better?
Yeah. I don't know who's going to be more wore out, me or the fish, when this is over. Well, this thing does nothing to come up.
Alright.
It's in the net.
Okay.
Are you telling me I got a keeper finally?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is. It is shorter.
Hey, John! There we go.
I'm going to leave this up.
Okay, he's gonna come right in.
I'm gonna use your other hand about halfway up the lid.
Got
Nice.
it.
That's a
All
good
right.
thing I had that long handle for that sucker.
Yep. Good news.
Can you tell, Troy? Nope. Native.
Native.
Go, fish on. There it is. Come on, Troy.
Yeah, fish.
Yeehaw! Coming in caught.
Okay.
Yeah, do as the captain says. Quit screwing around. Worry
Captain
about
says,
that.
get that damn fish in the boat. Oh,
Perfect.
yeah.
That was a thing of beauty right there.
That was some teamwork right there.
Native. That's wild.
Concluding the video here, we had a great day. As we trolled in, we were able to tag out 3 of the 4 people. We were able to catch close to 30 fish throughout the day, but only able to keep 7 that were hatchery. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys will tune in for part 2 of our second day of fishing. We'll catch you guys next time.